What's up, you savages? Welcome back to the channel. Got a little update for you guys. Told you not to click. Here you are. So we might have a new car in the garage here soon. Stay tuned. Alright, so let's get into it. First and foremost, no, this car's staying. This car's not going anywhere. But I am going to add another car to the channel. Something kind of fun-ish, if you will. Something to kind of fill the gaps between waiting for parts for this guy, and something we can just kind of fart around in and have some fun with. I'm looking at 3 cars right now. I actually want you guys' input. I'm looking at a Mini Cooper S, a Fiat 500 Abarth, or a 1 Series BMW. Neither of those cars I know a lot about. I just want something fun, standard transmission, backseat, good fuel economy for traveling to work and stuff. And I think we can have some fun digging around with it too. So yeah, look for one of those 3 cars coming up real soon. And your input below will help me decide what I should get. Let's do a quick recap of the C5Z behind me. Real quick, I bought it with headers, X-pipe, a Corsa exhaust, a Hurst shifter, Tickmaster cylinder, monster clutch, and an SLP intake. So that was stuff I was going to do anyways, which is already done. Great. Here's things on my channel, if you're not familiar, that I've already done, that have been filmed, and you can find it if you want to reference it. Try and do the same thing. I have it on my channel. O2 sensor fix on this thing. The guy, whoever had it before me, fucked up the O2 sensors bad. So I did some troubleshooting, a video on that, how to troubleshoot O2 sensors and fix that on a Corvette, or any car really. The principle's the same. An entire HUD install from a car that never had a HUD, doing a complete retrofit, and that's a good video. Full tune-up, including a fuel filter. You can check it out as well. Swap of the exhaust from a Corsa to a Billy Boat PRT, which I liked, just personal preference. Both are really good exhaust. I just like the Billy Boat, and if you're trying to do an exhaust on your C5, check that video. Super easy to do. All the fluids change from the oil, transaxle, transmission, rear end, they're separate. But yeah, all those fluids are changed out, and I filmed how to do that as well. Lowered the rear. I kind of referenced it, but it's really easy to do. Just lowering bolts. It's super simple. The anti-venom mod, I did a video on that just a few videos ago. Super simple as well. C601 style shift knob, which is really self-explanatory. You literally just get it out of the box and you screw it on the threads. It's really simple. Ceramic coat, I have a 2-part video on that, on prepping it and doing that. Turned out pretty good. 1.5 radio install, DIN that is. That fits very well in the car. It looks like it's supposed to be there, almost factory for what it is. Again, this is in my library, go check it out. And that also included install of a backup camera as well. A external volume knob, because it drove me insane to use the head unit for adjusting the volume. And also someone had asked me about the joying system, if you can mute the keypad beep itself, and you can. If you go into settings, sound, keypad note, hit off, and it'll turn it off. Just so you know. Carbon fiber steering wheel, that looks awesome. I don't know if you can see it, but I don't know. But it's in there, it looks really good. I got a video on that as well, doing the removal and installs that with a really nice open box. Racing seats, I did that last week. They turned out fabulous. Tightening up the steering column, I did a quick video on that as well. And also the trunk partition I made, which that video I didn't really care for. I had the trunk partition out because I've been farting around in the back. I'm gonna reupholster it or do like a vinyl carbon fiber wrap on it. I didn't like the fit and finish of it. I can do a lot better, so I'm gonna revisit that video and do a better partition for you guys. Still on a budget. All right, so here's what's coming up short term for this channel, what I got going on with this guy behind me. Got a couple mods in the mail coming to wrap up the interior, so it's completely done. Give it a real deep clean as well, and I'll go over in detail everything I did, price breakdown, parts that you can get, complete part list, price breakdown, and what I did. If you like it, I'll go into that really detailed. Next week I got a really fun video coming on the exhaust. The exhaust in the C5, 80% of them, they don't line up. One sags, they both sag, they're out of alignment. So I got a really good video on how to remedy that and how to polish them really well. So stay tuned for that. And then after that, I'm gonna do a complete suspension overhaul, coilovers all the way around, obviously, sway bars, end links, and tie rod ends as well. That'd probably be a 2-part video. Hopefully 2.5 weeks from now, that'll be on the channel. Coming up long term on the channel, for those that enjoy my content, what you can expect from now, a year out from now. Once the suspension's done, I'm gonna pause on the Corvette for a little bit, but the Corvette will still be in the panel in the background, if you will. But I'm gonna focus on redoing my entire garage, because my house is done, renovated, but my garage kind of sucks. I got the floors done a couple years ago. I got power running out here, and that's about it. But I have a lot of plans for this little garage out here. I can fit a lot more shit in here. And it's so dark in here. I can't say how dark it is in here. But yeah, so it'll be brightened up. Nice tools in here. Oh, I'm gonna do a lift as well. So, I got plenty of room. It's almost like a 10-foot high ceiling in here, so no issue with that. The C5 will probably go on top, and then hopefully within a year from now, my goal, with your all's help, is to get a C8 in here. So C8, C5, whatever little shit box I got out there for a daily, we'll have all trifecta of fun, and then Callie's Cadillac SUV. Probably gonna put an exhaust on that. Not really, she'd kill me. Oh, ideas for 5,000 sub giveaway. I want it to be amazing, so I want some of your recommendations down below. And congrats to the winner of the GoPro. I think you got it like 2 days ago. So let me know what you think, if you like it. And then once the garage is wrapped up, probably I'm gonna give myself 4 months, get the garage completely redone, and I'll take you with me for the entire thing. If you guys are trying to do a garage yourself, I'll show you what you guys gotta do. Yeah, it just looks like doo-doo. I mean, the bones are there, the power's already ran, but I gotta redo so much shit. But it'll be fun, and I'll take you guys with me. And yeah, once the garage is done, squared away where I like it, we'll get back to the Z06 here, and I'm gonna do some head cam work, and maybe some rear end work, maybe a beefed up transmission, transaxle situation, with a little brace on it, and my boy Katz, I'm gonna get him to help me with the cam and heads. And then I think the Z06 will be done then. I say that, but then I'll wanna wrap it and do some aero and some dumb shit I don't need to do to it, and I'll do it anyways, and you guys will like it, or some of you'll hate it, and that's how it works. But yeah, there's a quick little update to the channel, what's going on, where we're going from here, so we're all on the same page, you know what you're getting into. And I need to go fishing again. Oh my god, I'm so bad about enjoying myself, but I need to go fishing too. So I know some guys on my channel like the fishing stuff I do. I need to do that as well. And now that it's getting to fall, the ocean front will be kind of slow, so I can get out there more and kind of just do my own thing. Just relax after work and do that. So, hope you guys enjoyed this, and let me know below what you guys want to see and what do you guys hate, so, and things you guys don't like I'm doing. Like, hey, you idiot, don't do that, it's dumb. I don't watch your channel because you do that. Let me know. You know, I want this to grow and us to grow together and have fun doing this and all that jazz. So, yeah, all right, I'm done talking. I always try to make these videos like 2 minutes long, and I just talk forever. So, alright guys, go enjoy your day. Have a good Thursday and weekend. Later.